Ellana Bryan was born on November 22, 1989 in Cleveland, Ohio, United States. She is 31 years old. Her astrological sign is Scorpio. Ellana Bryan was born and raised in Cleveland, Ohio. She is based in Los Angeles, California. She started her modeling career in 2016. Prior to her modeling career, she does hair shows, fashion and commercial shoots and also appear in some music videos. She also owned an online shop called Royalties Art. In Instagram, Ellana Bryan has attracted more than 1 million followers to her self-titled Instagram account. Ellana Bryan has worked with some companies like the OUAI, Ipsy, Skinny Tan and several others. She has also modeled for some top clothing brands like Swimsuit for All, Fashion Nova Curve, Missguided, Mundies, Simplibe USA, Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing, Adore Me, Freddie USA, Sports Illustrated and many more. Bryan stands 5 feet 10 inches tall or 177 centimeters. She weighs 95 kilograms or 209 IBS. Ellana's net worth as of now, in 2021 is estimated to be more than $600,000. Sources of her earnings are modeling and brand promotions.